So for planet Mercury, according to Jew mythology, planet Mercury is a female, and according to Hindu mythology, planet Mercury is male, and he have some slightly hinchy natures or childish nature in him. And his incarnation was Bhakta Prahlad, Tukaram, Valmik from Ramayana, Vyas from Mahabharat. Ramayana is written by Valmik, and uh, Mahabharata is written as by Vyas. All these two are incarnation of Mercury. And Bij mantra for Mercury is Om Brahm Brim Bro Sa Budhaya Nama. Om Brahm Brim Bro Sa Budhaya Nama. If Mercury is bad, you can donate spinach. To strengthen Mercury, you can chant a mantra of Om Brahm Brim Brom Sa Budhaya Nama, or you can wear emerald. And if you respect sisters of mothers and father, Mercury becomes strong in your chart. And main lord of Mercury is Lord Vishnu himself. If Mercury is bad, you have to worship Lord Vishnu himself. Then there is Budh Stotra. Pitambara Pitvapu Kirti Chaturbhuja Deva Dukka Partha means hey Lord Mercury, you wear very divine yellow clothes, and you are a painkiller of gods and everyone. Dharmasya Duka Somasuta Sadame Siha Perido Varado Budasya means uh, Mercury is Mercury's vehicle is lion himself, and he is son of moon means he is actually uh, maintained by Jupiter, but actual father of Mercury is moon. So if someone have moon Jupiter and Mercury's strong connection, then you can assume that he or his son would be illegal. Then प्रियंगुनक श्याम रूपेण प्रतिम बुधम सौम्य सौम्य गुणोतपी नमामि शशिनंदनम means hey moon son, I worship you, you are very soft, light and light behavioral. Surya priya karo vidwan pida haru tume buddha means he is lovely to sun because sun and moon always observed in one sign many times, and they hardly move around each other, moon, Venus, sun, only 3-4 signs away from each other. Otherwise Mercury is always near to sun. Somaputro Budashaiva Sada Shanti Prayashantu means hey moon, sun, Mercury, always keep peace in my life. श्याम शिलालक्ष कलाविधिज्ञ कौतूहली कोमल वाग्विलासी. Mercury is very good at talking, and he is a soft talking nature person, and he is very artistic person, Mercury. अहो चंद्रसुधा श्रीमान माग धर्मा समुद्भव अत्रि गोत्र चतुर्बाहु खड़ग खेतक धारक गदाधारो नु सिंहस्थ सर्व स्वर्ण नाभ समन्वित केकत्री द्रुम पात्रेन्द्र विष्णु पूजित means Mercury is worshipped by Lord Indra, Lord Vishnu, etc. And he is holding weapons like sword and khetak. Kumaro Rajaputra Sheshave Shashinandana means moon son is also known as Jupiter son, and he is also known as he is also known as uh, Prince. सौम्य सौम्य गुणोपेतो रत्नदानफलप्रद एतानि बुधनमामि प्रातःकाल पठे नर बुधरुद्धिता याति बुधपीडा न जायते इति श्रीमंत्र महानवे बुध stotram. So this Buddha stotram is about increasing your brain power, and soft behavioral Mercury gives too much energy to this person who reads this Buddha stotra daily.